Top 3 landing page for beginners to make money online. Let's go. What's up, my friend? It's your boy Clifford, expert digital marketing for those who don't know me. So today we're going to look at the top 3 making money online landing page that you can use right now. Some are faster, some are perfect for affiliate offers, and others are just cheap too. Okay, so stick around. Let's go. Number 3, we have a ClickFunnels. Why it's number 3? Because ClickFunnels, it's not for everybody, especially if you are a beginner and you want to have a full online business, you go with this. But other than having a full online business, what is cool about it, it's that there's a ClickFunnels software, right? So you can create a lot of landing page with it. And the other cool thing with this is that they have a lot of template. They have different templates with different offers that different vendors, especially ClickBank. And just easy to do, you know, they're just like if you a template and then boom, you have a landing page. So go check it out. ClickFunnels, it's not cheap. Hey, it's like $100, I think, minimum, and then it goes like till $300. But go check it out. 3, ClickFunnels. At number 2, we got Instapage. I remember I used to use Instapage when I was doing lead gen on Google Ads. This one is really wonderful for that. To be honest, I don't remember using it for like affiliate marketing with niches, some such as weight loss or I don't know, manifestation. I don't remember. But for PPC and Google Ads, local advertising and stuff, it's perfect. The layout is like AI content, personalization, experimentation. It's really like, it's wonderful. Go check it out. It's not so expensive. It's like $79, I think, a month. So go check it out. Number 2, Instapage. At number 1, we have System.io. The reason why it's number 1 is because you can do so much with System.io and it's free to start. You can create 3 funnels. After you have like 3 funnels, here, I'm going to show you sales funnels. After you have 3 funnels, they're going to ask you to pay. But till then, you can create easy drag and drop funnels to start for your business. It's like you can create it right now, and plus you can sell all of their features that they have. Digital store, let's see the digital store. They don't have anything now, but once you're inside, you can sell all of their course. Plus you got an email software, newsletter, plus you got a sales funnel, plus you got website, blog creation. So listen, if you're starting online, you're a complete beginner, go with System.io. Even if you upgrade, I think it's like, let's check the price. I think it's like $27 a month. And if you take by here, it's $128. So this one is the cheapest of the 3. So go check it out, System.io. And that's it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like that top 3 landing page builder for beginners. So if you find this video useful, make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, and you follow for more digital marketing and how to make money online with the internet. See you around. Ciao.